So I'm at Legoland for the Lego Festival, and I've picked a bad day to come because it is currently raining, but hopefully we can have a good day and let's see what it's all about. So I think the first stop is Miniland. I love Miniland. If you love Miniland, let me know in the comments. But let's see what new stuff they've got. Throughout some of this video you're going to get voiceover me, and then you're going to get some live stuff as well in the shop at the end. But yeah, we're coming up to the real Lion Knight's castle, so if you guys have got that set, this is pretty much the real life version at Legoland. So as you can see, we've got a massive Ninjago section. I'm not a massive fan of Ninjago. It's not that I don't like it, I just don't have any in my collection, so I don't know too much about it. But I think there's a couple of rides here. Got a massive entrance which you can buy as a set, I believe. Got some really cool sculptures as well, which are really cool to see. And then in the shop we have lots and lots of stuff. We got merch, we got botanicals. I think we got some like the Chinese New Year stuff. Loads of cool Ninjago sets. They do look really good. I'd like to get one day, but yeah, I just don't have any Ninjago in my collection. So let me know in the comments, if you like Ninjago, what would be the first set you'd recommend that I buy to enter the Ninjago collection? Because once I start, I probably won't stop, so make it a good one. I want to hear your comments in the comments below. And yeah, the Ninjago stuff is really cool, and there's a dedicated shop, which is fantastic if you're a Ninjago fan.
Nice job! Now let me see you clap those hands! Just watch me. They say you can't stop the rhythm, so I guess that means you can't stop me. Everybody, drop it low. How low can you go? Look at that!
Now this is part of the Lego Festival. They had like a gaming zone where someone was streaming Fortnite. Obviously Lego and Fortnite have collabed, so yeah, lots of that sort of stuff going on. And obviously there's the Fortnite sets as well. There was some building opportunities there as well, which was cool. And you got the Lego Creative Zone. Not too sure what was in here because all I saw was some ducks. They were not part of the festival, but they were cool. Got the Legoland exclusives, which are really cool. Might have to grab the entrance, that looks really good. now time to go to the Lego store. We've got some of the London exclusives on display, which are quite cool. Over here we have the Jazz Club, Tudor Corner, got the new Krusty Burger, got the Tuxedo Cat, I want that, next to the brand new vending machine. The family tree set. Lots of botanicals. And the new Happy Plants. Got all the Disney sets. Still got loads of Snow White's houses. Hocus Pocus. The Beauty and the Beast castle. Loads of Disney sets. The Magic of Disney. We've still got the camera, the Up House, Stitch, next to the brand new lamp. 101 Dalmatians. Got the new big one down there. The Disney castle is retiring at the end of the year. We've got a lot of Fortnite sets on display. Got a very cool botanicals display as well. A lot of botanicals in here. Then we got some of the brand new F1 cars. More Formula 1 stuff. Loads of Formula 1 displays. Fully stocked of all the F1 stuff. So I'm now back from Legoland's Lego Festival. It was a decent day. Wouldn't say the festival's really for adults, not too much to do. It's all right for kids. My daughter had a great time. I'm currently sat editing this video and forgotten to show you what I got. So I did pick one thing up from the Lego store. Let's have a look. In typical fashion, I got myself some BrickHeads. It's the Obi-Wan Kenobi and Darth Vader ones. I think they're retiring at the end of this year, or they already have retired. I saw these, haven't got them, so I wanted to add these to the collection. But yeah, Legoland's Lego Festival, it was decent. Shame about the weather, but if you did enjoy the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.